Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change headlights, the turning signals basically in the new Honda Civic. So let's start. So first you have to pull this out, the wire basically of the turning signal. I already have pulled out the wire, here it is, as you can see. I will show you in the next one how to pull that up, but let's start. So I had these on earlier and I will turn on the signal. So these ones don't work anymore. As you can see, I turned on the signal and it's just it's working like this, as you can see. And this one is not good, so I'll be replacing them. Now the thing is, we don't have load resistors on the car, so we cannot install the LEDs. So we have to get a canvas free LEDs for that. As you can see, I have two LEDs. This one is the canvas free, which has built-in resistor, and this one which I have, it's the normal LEDs. I will show you both of them how these works. So basically, if I get these, which is not a built-in resistor, if I install these, you can see the light is working, but there is a hyper flash issue. If you like hyper flash, you can go with it, or like this, the light will still work, it does not have any problem, but there will be a hyper flash issue. If you like it, then that's good. If you don't like it, then what you can do is you can either install resistors in the Civic, but if you don't want to go with dealing with these stuff like with the resistors and all, what you can do is simply just remove these. Okay, so now instead of these, I'm gonna get these, which has built-in system resistors, or it's canvas free, that's it is called. And if I install these, see, you can see now it's good. Since it has a built-in resistor, it does not have hyper flash, so that's good. That's what you can do. So I will leave it as it is, and now I'll be taking you towards the next one, how to remove that. Okay, so let's go. So here I will try to guide you once. Okay. So these are the turning signals. So what you have to do is you have to find these things, exactly this one. I will tell you these ones exactly here. Let me see if I can show you clearly. These ones, the gray ones, which you can see, you have to twist them and it will come out like this. I have twisted them, if you can hear the noise, and just remove them. See, you can see here they are coming out, and here it is. See, the signal is here. These one are the Hondas which come with. These are the regular normal bulbs, not the LEDs. So we will be installing the LEDs today. So second, here you see. Now you have to do just remove this. Just install the canvas error free like these. So it's installed. Now I will turn on both the flashers and you will see that. So as you can see, both of them are working fine, and we just need to basically install both of these, and that's all. I will install these and then I will show you how it looks like. Now you can see I have installed one inside and it looks good. In the night it will look more good. I will make a video in the night how it looks like. Now I'll tell you how to install these basically. So these don't have like a high gap here, as you can see. So what you have to do is you just have to pull this up, and the same hole where we removed it from, which is this hole, if you can see here, that hole which is empty, we have to put it back in. So we'll put it like this, And so we are putting it like back this here in this hole. I am inserting it in, and yes, you can see here it's coming. You can see here, you'll be able to see it from here as well, it's coming or not. So let's see. Now it's inside. Okay, now you have to twist it in clockwise direction, basically like this, and you will hear a clock sound. See, now see, there's a clock sound. Now that means it has been installed. You can see. So that's how it looks like. You won't be able to see that much because it's snow as of now. That's how it looks like. Now I'll show you in the night how it looks like. So this is the car, and as you can see, this is the light. The snow is on. This is the light here, and this one is the light, and you can see the both light. Yeah, and you can see this one is the both lights, and that's good. That looks good in the night.